If you have a heat pump dryer, it's important to clean the main lint filter after every use. Remove the filter, scrape off the bulk of lint with your hand, and then clean the filter with a damp cloth or light bristle brush. Also, cleaning any lint sitting around or under where the filter sits. This should be done after every 1 to 2 loads. You should also regularly clean the secondary filter, the evaporator coil, which is located at the base of the dryer behind a panel and locked door. This should be checked and cleaned roughly every 2 weeks, depending on how often you use the dryer. Some dryer units come with a small brush to clean the evaporative coil, but if you didn't get a brush with the machine, you can use any small brush with firm bristles that slide down the fins easily. Gently brush the lint off in a downward motion. I suggest brushing down rather than up, as it makes it easier seeing the brushed lint collect at the base of the coil instead of the top. Also, clean the lint off the brush frequently so you're not just moving lint from one area to another. Also, do not brush side to side, as the fins are very delicate and can bend easily, restricting airflow. If the lint has hardened over time and is now a very solid mass, you can use something harder to work it loose, such as a comb, a fork, or even a flathead screwdriver will work just fine. Carefully sliding down the fins, scraping off the lint, while being careful not to bend the fins. Keeping this coil clean is important because if it becomes clogged with lint, drying times can increase significantly, sometimes up to 40% longer, which means higher electricity usage per load. Once the fins are clean, clean any excess lint clinging to the surrounding area. And then you're done. By keeping both filter areas clean, your dryer will run more efficiently, dry clothes faster, and use less power.